If you haven't heard of Whisk AI, then you are missing out on one of the most powerful AI tools that you can use to generate both images and videos for free. And now this is a Google AI tool and it is now available. It has been released and you can go ahead and test it out. Now look at these images that I've just generated using this Whisk AI. I've gone ahead and tried it out, and unless you give it a close look, you won't even realize that they are AI images. So this is a free to use AI tool that has been released by Google and now it is in experiment. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to generate stunning AI images and videos. And if I go ahead and click on video tab here, these are the videos that I generated from the above images. And if you look at them, they are quite stunning and of high resolution. So you can generate images and also convert those images into videos, as you can see here. And you can also see from this image, I was able to convert it into a video. And now if I go to videos here, if I go ahead and expand it, you can see full screen. It is a quite stunning video that I've just generated from an image. And the good thing about this tool is it generates very fast, and both the images and the videos are of high quality. So let me show you how you can start using this tool to make your creation. So if you like this video, I'll kindly request you that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to start using Whisk, just go ahead and search Whisk AI like that, and this will take you to Google Labs, and this is the website. So if you go ahead and tap on it, here you'll get access to Whisk interface, which is just one of the many Google Labs tools. And if you scroll down, you can see quite a number of creations that people who are interacting with this tool are creating, and as you can see, they are stunning. So to get started with this tool, first you can just go ahead and sign up with Google, and I'll proceed, and then I'll choose my Google account, and here I'm logged in. So to start experimenting with Whisk, go ahead and tap on enter tool, tap on continue, again continue, and then get started. And now you learned this interface. This is a blank page that you can start creating your images or videos. Now there are two ways you can create images with Whisk. One, you can use a text prompt, or you can use another image and then also achieve whatever you want. And as you can see, Whisk is in experiment, and therefore you have to note that as you use it. So to make your creation, go ahead and paste here your prompt. You can get here some ideas from Whisk, and look at that. If you tap on it, it can give you a prompt like that. And then before you generate, go ahead and tap on this second button to choose the aspect ratio. By default, it is set to landscape, that is 16:9. If you want portrait images, then choose the portrait option, which is 9:16. By default, Whisk normally generates 2 images per prompt. Once you are done, go ahead and proceed. However, should you want to use an image, then you can go ahead and tap on add image, and then you'll have to upload your image. So using this prompt, let me go ahead and see what this tool will generate. And within some few seconds, it should be done. And look at that. That is our first generation, and the images are quite stunning. Look at that. Wow, this is a great art. That was the first generation. And look for another prompt by tapping on this. And there's another prompt. If you don't want, you can also go ahead and change it. Let's try this. And look at that. Wow, that is a great generation. Now, should you want to download this image, it is quite simple. Just head over to the download button, which is here. If you go ahead and tap on it, the image will be downloaded straight to your computer. And this is a watermark free image. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see it here. Quite stunning, and it is free from any watermark. Now let me show you how you can animate this. Should you want to animate any image that you have created from Whisk, it is also simple. Just head over to animate here, and we shall be able, using this option, to animate any image. So if I tap on animate, you can go ahead and describe any motion that you want to add to this. For my case, I just say animate, just like that, and then I'll tap enter. Now it will begin to create a video, and the process is now on. So this will go ahead and add motion to this image. and make it a video. And here we go, it is done. So let's go ahead and play it. Now look at that. Quite stunning, quite stunning. You can add different motions. For instance, if you want it to rotate, you can also do the same. And this has been animated. Let me generate another image and using this, and then we shall also proceed and animate this image. And here we go, the creation is done. So I'd like to animate this. So if we go ahead and animate this, to animate it, I'll just go ahead and tap on animate. And then I can add rotate clockwise like that. And then I'll proceed. And then this tool will go ahead and add this animation effect on our image. So let's wait and see the results. And look at that. Here is our finished video. So let's go ahead and play. And now look at that. That is so great. Look at that. I like this. That is so great. That is some of the features with this Whisk AI. Now with Whisk AI, you can also create consistent images, and it is simple to do that. Now to create consistent images, you can use your images that you have uploaded to make other creations, or use a prompt. And before you generate, go over here and then tap on more options. And here you can either lock the seed. As you can see, mine is not locked, to give more variety. So if you go ahead and lock this seed, then from here you can make or create more consistent images that are hyper realistic. So once you lock the seed or obtain the seed number, which is here, you can use this to generate or to create consistent images with this tool. For instance, look at this. You can see the character is very much consistent because I locked the seed, and now they are two identical. Look at this. Look at the main character here, and also look at the character here. They are identical. They are very much identical. So that's how you can use seed to generate consistent images in your creations on Whisk AI. Now, maybe you are asking, how do I locate my videos that I've just created on Whisk? It is simple. We have two options here. The first one is for images. If you go ahead and tap on the second one, then you will see all the videos that you created with Whisk AI. And on the right here, you can also see the number of generations that you have created. Now, the good thing is there is no limit to how many videos or images you can create with this tool. There are also other functions that you should know and use on Whisk. If you go over to menu here and tap on it, you can see you can select your presets as you wish. And we have quite a number of presets that are already available for you on Whisk. You can also download all images from here by using this download all images. So if you have created a bunch of images and you like to download them once, then you can use this function to download all of them. And to start a new project, you can just tap on new project here, and then this will proceed and take you to a new interface where you can begin a new project on Whisk. Apart from this settings bar, you can also go ahead and use this. If you toggle this, now this will give you another interface that you can use. For instance, if you want to make your creation using your text, you can just use enter text option here, or you can upload your image by using this option, upload images, and you'll be able to make your creation. Still, you can create as many scenes as you want using this scene function, and this will help you to create scenes. And this, we have a style option or function that can help you add as many styles as you so wish, and you can create several of them by just tapping on plus, just the same as you can add several scenes on your creation by just tapping on plus here, and several scenes will be created on this platform. So go out and try this Google platform and see how much you can create and generate with it. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.